Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we have here Tropical Storm Beta. As we can see here, Tropical Storm Beta has weakened a lot since last time I made this video. Last time we thought Tropical Storm Beta was going to be a hurricane by now, but now it's just a weak tropical storm. The dry air has weakened this storm significantly, and as you can see here by the infrared satellite, not looking too good for this storm. As we look onto the GFS, you can see it doesn't have much precip left with it. The last of it is by southern Louisiana, and it's in part of Houston over here. If we take a look as we continue, we can see it weakens even more and just becomes a tropical depression. Even with the NIM, which earlier it showed it staying together, is just completely fallen apart by now. If you take a look here, this is the current radar. If we go back a couple hours, you can see the bands over southern Louisiana have started to make their way north. And the bands in Texas by Houston is starting to dissipate as well. As we look in the past 24-hour precip, as you can see, it's all in Louisiana, mostly southern Texas. There are a few pockets of heavy bands of rain, but nothing too crazy. The storm could have been a lot worse, but thankfully, it hasn't. This is the water vapor, and as you can see, mostly where the rain is where the water vapor is. But look at all this dry air coming into Texas and into the storm. This storm isn't gonna survive much longer, and let's see here. By September 23rd, the storm will be done into a tropical depression. As we take a look over here at Teddy, it's racing past Bermuda, and we have some strong dry air over here. But by the time it makes it to Newfoundland, it's going to be a 65 miles an hour storm, and then as it makes it to Nova Scotia, it could be still a Category 1 storm. This map is from Windy. This is a good weather map if you want to see the strong winds. If we take a look here, the European map shows the strongest winds from Tropical Storm Beta is only at 33 knots, which is around 40-45 miles per hour. If we take a look at the gusts, it's a bit higher. It's about 52, so maybe 60 miles an hour gusts in some places. The GFS only has 67 to maybe 69 kilotons of gust. And the sustained winds are even lower, to 33. As we take a look off to Teddy, the sustained winds are 67, so around 90 to 100. Bermuda just barely got scathed by the storm. But the high pressure up here, look, you can see it come up and then all the way down, is making some rough seas out here. That's why we have coastal flood warnings along the coast. And the gust, it's up to 84, and maybe up to some pockets it could be higher than that. As we take a look here, by 5 p.m. Tuesday, the storm has, at least the wind size has increased, but I'm not too sure about the precip. Let's see. Wow. Not too much. This is the current satellite, and this is almost like a sandy look when it was coming into the coast over here.